How to get the blue eyes effect on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get the blue eyes effect on TikTok. So first thing, go to your TikTok, tap on post, tap on effect. Now this filter is trading. This is it. If you didn't find this effect on your trading effect, just go back, tap on discover, tap on search, eyes filter. Now tap on one of those videos and now click on blue eyes filter, tap on try this effect and just tap on record, and this is it. This is how you're gonna find this effect. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and put like.